Hi everyone, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut, bringing you another Cricut tip. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things that I wish I had known before I bought my Cricut. The first one is, it's an expensive hobby. The machine itself is very expensive, but all the materials and all the tools and blah, 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 gets expensive. You don't have to buy everything at first. Just know it's expensive, okay? Number 2, you don't have to buy the most expensive machine either. The Cricut Maker is their latest, biggest, best machine. And it's wonderful. I have it. But I started with the Air 2. Well, actually, you know what? That's a lie. Let me tell you what I did. I was a dummy and I didn't do my homework. And I bought a Cricut on Facebook Marketplace. And got it home and I was so excited. It did not come with any manuals. It didn't come with anything, no mat, no nothing. So I finally got online to find the book for it and realized that this was a much older version of the Cricut and you needed cartridges to put in them. It didn't have a software. I looked online to see how much the cartridges were. They were $30 a piece and they only did a few things and you would need like 10 or 30 to do projects. Mad. So I turned around and I sold it on Cricut on Facebook Marketplace again. I'm sorry, that was horrible, but I did. Someone bought it. And then I went out and I bought the Air 2. And I brought it home and I started learning it. So it did everything that I needed to do and more. But I upgraded to the Maker because the Maker does even more. But they are so similar. So if you can't afford to buy the Maker, know that the Air 2 will do you fine, okay? Number 3, I wish someone had told me not to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. I have tons of paper and tons of vinyl and tons of, okay? You don't need all that. Let me just tell you. Tools, use tweezers. You have scissors. You have rulers. You may even have some sort of a cutting mat, not that goes in the machine, but like that you can work on a table. Those are the tools that you're going to need at first. So don't buy a bunch of tools, okay? If the machine doesn't come with a mat that you feed into it, you will need one of those. Hopefully it will come with that. And the machine itself will come with the first project that you will do. Do the first project, see what you thought, okay? Then choose another project within the Cricut Design Space software under Projects. Choose an easy project in there and go and buy just what you need for that project. And then once you do that, do it again. That way you're not hoarding materials like I did. And it got really expensive really quick because I just thought I was going to do all this stuff, and I did, but still. Okay, number 4. There is a learning curve to Cricut Design Space. That is the software within Cricut. But don't worry. It's simple. Once you get in there and you start looking around and you start using each piece, you will realize it's easy. And that's why choosing one project at a time will help you, because you'll choose this project and you'll use this feature. Then the next project will use this feature. And that way you can build on that knowledge over time instead of trying to learn this software all in one day. It's not going to happen. There is totally a learning curve. Number 5, no one told me that it wouldn't run on a Chromebook. If you have a Chromebook, you can't use it with Cricut Design Space. You can use an iPad. You can use any other kind of tablet or phone or computer or the Mac, the Apple Mac, but you cannot use a Chromebook. And I don't know why. It's something in there doesn't sync. They're not compatible at all. Okay, so that's the top 5 for me. And one other key thing that I want to say is that once you buy your Cricut, reach out for help. Reach out to our group. We're there for you. We will help you. Let's get it unboxed. Let's get it set up, and let's do that first project. Join as many Facebook groups as you can. You're going to learn soon which ones you want to stay in and which ones you want to get out of, because some are really helpful and some aren't so helpful. Go on YouTube and watch as many videos as you can. You're gonna retain some of that information, not all of it, but that's okay. And then reach out for help. Those are the 3 things I would do. Okay, those are the 5 things I wish I knew before I bought my Cricut, and I hope that helps you if you're thinking about buying a Cricut too. Go and have a happy crafting day.